But before you can
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mike from What Do We Say? This Spoilers. I know I've been missing, you know what I'm saying? I know I've been MIA, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, the time I should be doing reactions, I'm playing this motherfucker. That Madden, that Call of Duty just took over my life and shit, man. I'm sorry, man. Good thing is, I really ain't watching nothing at all. So hopefully Black Lightning get me back into it. And I'm just getting into it, you know what I'm saying? I like everything I've seen on Black Lightning. The suit bulky as hell, but I'm sure he's gonna get another one. I'm also sure they paid a lot of money to get that shit made, so that might be his suit, but fuck it. Like, I like the picture of him just holding that shit with I do like the glasses, though. Then his daughter's got, his daughter's got motherfucking powers and shit, like. If I was a superhero, my siege can have powers, I'm fucking all day. It's gonna be a village of us and shit. So flashbacks?
My son wasn't in no game. He had a job with the city and the little boy.
Your son? Static Shock? That's who he talking about? The 100 game?
March 125 shootings in
they got the 100 emoji and shit.
Frustrated with the violence in our city. Freeland PD is frustrated too, but I want to be clear. We will not tolerate any rioting, looting, or violence.
Okay.
But what about one more question for you?
The signs were always there, but this is how the journey began.
Dad.
Survives well.
And you had a choice. Protest the 100 or attend Garfield High's fundraiser. And you chose a path that led you to getting arrested.
It wasn't a choice, Dad.
No, it was a choice, Anissa.
That's my sister name.
Is a choice.
It was a peaceful
Cars.
Everybody call her Anissa.
You know, that is not the point I'm making.
Uh-oh. DWB. Open the door, asshole.
Yeah, this doesn't feel so good, does it?
Jennifer?
Damn, okay.
Step out of the car. And now, this is the third time this month.
Hey! Get your hand off my dad!
Oh,
Let me
shit.
see the hands. Stop. No. Put your hands on the dashboard.
I have the right to videotape this. I'm going
Tell me if just do it now.
Before I electrocute these motherfuckers. Oh, yeah, I'm electrocute all y'all motherfuckers. And barbecue.
Tell me what this is all about.
Mistaken identity.
Have a good night, sir.
You're black. You fit the
I
description.
asked you a question.
He's like, fuck.
The liquor store just got robbed. And I'm sure the description is what? A black man
Of course.
dressed in a suit and tie.
Alright.
Getaway car, a mid-size Volvo wagon.
Uh-oh.
Have a good night.
This shit
sir.
funny, bro? I was about to start. Yeah. Shit ain't no fucking game, man. Okay. Officer Charles and...
The series premiere of Black Lightning is brought to you.
Officer Charles and Officer, trying to think of a name and shit. Officer, McClendon was about to get fucked up. See, I picked up the controller just on, fuck, man. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Less Madden, less Call of Duty, more reactions, you know what I'm saying? Riverdale, they got I ain't been watching at all, but they got a serial killer in Riverdale and shit? Like, what's going on? It's Scream 3?
We all know that this city is in a crisis around. And with graduation rates...
Static Shock, where you at?
Jefferson does it all with the help of an outside.
Listen, Khalil and a few of his friends were having a small house party, and Keisha and I were gonna go.
Girl, you better get your shit right.
Asses in the bathroom half naked.
Is over at 10 o'clock.
You better have your behind in the house no later than 10:15. I'm not playing. Yep. No, seriously.
10:15.
Don't play with me.
10:15? How old is she?
I'll be out.
He went from fighting crime to a principal and shit. That's a steep drop, boy. Like, shit.
Thank you, Senator Turner.
Oh, I see some little dreads over there. Where's Static at? Nah, that's not Static. Ooh, she blowing smoke. Too old.
Don't think just because I'm a little stoned, that means you're gonna get some. Because I'm not having sex in the club bathroom with somebody I just met. Or ever.
I was just playing.
No, you weren't. Because if I say
Quit playing, Virgil.
all over this.
Okay.
Someone you should meet. Miss Lady Eve from Blackbird Funeral Parlor. Deep, deep pockets.
Yeah, I met her.
Somebody you know.
Okay, I will be over. Just give me a minute.
And she looked like the girl from Insecure. Like, she looked just like her ass and shit.
Don't do that.
Is she fucking Static Shock?
Hey, it's me. Well, I thought you said Jennifer was home. Absolutely ridiculous. No, you should know better. I will talk to you later.
Damn, scanned her ass.
So you one of them alternative black girls.
All right.
Did you not have commissary money? Did you not have the best lawyer in Freeland? The money I say, you owe me.
Say his name, damn it. Ooh!
I'm talking to you, man.
Bro, he brought that shit from here, like.
I'm not holding for nobody.
Oh, she got superpowers.
You know what? I thought you were kind of cute until I found out you were somebody's bitch.
Ooh! Shit!
Hey, man, I like this girl, man.
Tried to do it the right way.
Come on, man. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. She knows she in trouble. Are you about to tase on this shit? He about to eat that shit, watch. He's like, thank you. He's like, ugh. Yeah, fuck that car up.
Stand up for something, or fall for anything. Lightning came with no rain. I saw a superhero last night. He was black. He said, "This is for the hood. Black Lightning's back."
Hey, okay. Okay, I'm liking this so far. Edgy, you know. I like the youngest daughter was in the club blowing some tree, boy. She's smoking on some fire, you know what I'm saying? Some Afghan, some Kill Bill, you know what I'm saying?
Only Club 100, Jennifer? Because that's all who hang there. Gang members.
Well, all you guys want me to do is go to school, run track, and set a good example.
You can go to the club, just not Club 100, you feel me?
I'm not.
For a regular, human, black male who was probably hyped up on drugs. This is something responsible for the type
That he had electrical currents coming out his fingers and shit.
I thought you were done being a hero.
What kind of drug do that and shit?
You mean Black Lightning? There's no next. No, my daughter is safe.
The promise you made Lynn was well-intentioned, but it always had an expiration date.
You should kill yourself.
I promise. No more.
Hey, boss.
Damn!
Take a look at this.
Get the fuck!
Is Black Lightning back? Even though we haven't confirmed if this rumor is true.
Hey, why all those albino motherfuckers look the same and shit? Like I swear, I used to know a motherfucker looked just like him and shit. Like, had the same colored beard and shit. Like, shit was just scary. Like, I feel like I just seen a ghost. I mean, dude ain't dead and shit. I just ain't seen him in a minute, but look just like his ass and shit. Like, I'm about to look him up. Like, is you an actor now? Like, damn, I just watched you at the CW, man. Keep doing your thing, dog, man. I remember back in the day. Tobias Whale stuffed newspapers down his dad's throat till he died. That's fucked up. I'm not done being Black Lightning until his ass is, you feel me? Okay, alright. Just threw the motherfucker in the fish tank and shit. Just like that. You see that shit? Like, damn, like, that was disrespectful. Like, that man had a family, you know what I'm saying? He might not have had no kids and shit, but he had a mom and dad. They can't even have a funeral.
Asking you to leave before I call the police.
Bitch, I told you to get on my face.
That's it. I'm calling the police.
Hell, you.
Damn, boy. No, that ain't Static Shock. Hell no. His nose flare up. He said, I don't know if Static Shock gonna be in the show or not. I just, it'll be a nice way to introduce him and shit, my boy Swag surfing on the trash can. I need it. I want it.
You put yourselves in danger, but also the entire school.
What was I supposed to do?
You were supposed to follow school protocol, call security, and walk away.
Not whoop his
It's
ass.
been 7 years since I took over.
Mr. Jefferson.
Mateus.
Wow. Latavius. Nobody's called me that since I graduated from Garfield. Will's my cousin. He's been kind of lost since he got out of jail.
Will,
ain't trying to
okay.
hear all that. I get it.
Latavius.
Because I was told that you spent most of yesterday playing video games in your phone.
Is that you selling in or being prepared to run the world and your black ass?
Okay, Latavius. That is enough.
Damn, boy.
Damn, gang.
L Money.
LALA.
Lop.
Never put your hands on me again.
They call me Latavius every day. LALA.
Teach them your way and I'll teach them mine.
Hey, cuz. My name LALA.
And don't even ask me about your damn phone.
Damn, where your mama at? What, is that your daddy? Like, who the fuck?
I'm gonna do you this favor.
Remember me?
I'm not afraid of the 100.
Bitch, you should be.
Get your hands off her.
Really? How you coming to a school just like...
The 100 have Jennifer in it.
And downstairs.
He said we closed and shit. Oh, he been making some new shit. He just big as fuck, he said. Damn. Oh. The fuck? Look like Goku out this motherfucker.
That bringing him here was actually a good idea.
Yeah, that shit was dumb as fuck. Like the design, like just look, I don't know. It looks silly, man. Damn! Ooh. Explode that motherfucker. I was like, Mr. Pierce?
Where's LALA?
I don't know.
Did you call? It was nice.
Sure. He put a... I thought he put a hole through his shit. Come on, Tobias.
Boss,
Damn!
Do you believe in the resurrection, Octavius?
My question is, can you take care of this problem? Or should I just kill you now and solve it myself?
It's on my mind. Man at the crossroads.
He's like, I know that's your ass. Quit playing.
These girls and make them disappear.
Tony Powers. Damn, why you breaking shit?
two men responsible for kidnapping my girls are still out there somewhere.
Your daughter's been running their mouths to the police.
It is time that people know Black Lightning is back.
Black Lightning, my man.
Black Lightning, new series next Tuesday at 9.
Looking good, brother. That suit big as hell, but...
Hey, this is Camila Mendez. Riverdale returns with...
Okay. Black Lightning.
Television in your home has a standard or high definition.
Black Lightning, The Resurrection. Very good first episode. I enjoyed it a lot. I really liked the social commentary they had, you know what I'm saying? As an African American myself, you know, if you couldn't tell, you know. For the most part, the acting was pretty good. I like the storyline. I like that he's a principal, you know what I'm saying? He got a nice relationship with the gangs. But you always got that one gang that just somebody just fuck up, you know what I'm saying? He is another one of those superheroes where he just put some goggles on. I ain't supposed to know who the fuck you is. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's up? You feel me? Like, you know, I'm just saying. You still talk the same and shit. You still got the same beard and the daughters, Anissa and Jennifer. I think they're Thunder and Lightning. Was that it? So I'm guessing she's Thunder. She breaking shit. Other one gonna be a little quiet fast. Yeah, I like it for first episode. I thought it was pretty good. I like how CW, they don't take too long to get into them putting on the suit. Because this ain't no origin. Like, he coming out of retirement, you know. Get a little hints here and there about the past. I like Tobias well, though. Okay, what was they calling him? But I like him. Like, the albino, like, with the beard and shit. He got that voice, too, like, he gonna be a bad motherfucker. Like, feeding motherfuckers a fish. He just threw a body in the fish tank. Say, here, y'all hungry? Take this motherfucker. Like, eat him. And then harpooned the motherfucker. Then was like, come here.